Wouldn't it be cool if you could light up your entire home with glowing moss? In some Hungarian villages, ceilings are fitted with bioluminescent moss inside transparent tiles. The moss is engineered to shine like fireflies, casting a soft, natural light without any bulbs, wires, or electricity. Each tile is a self-sustaining micro-ecosystem that needs almost no maintenance. Just look at this scientist in a lab happily demonstrating how the moss tile works. It's an incredible solution that could one day replace electric lights in homes all over the world. Now I want to hear from you. Would you live in a glowing moss home? Leave a comment below. And by the way, you can also subscribe for more fun science and tech shorts. Thanks for watching.